All right, if your PC loses connection or the connection suddenly slows down, try running these 7 commands before calling for support. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Terminal Admin to open the command prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. This sequence resets every software-level component of your Windows network stack, and it fixes the vast majority of mysterious connectivity issues that nothing else resolves. Command 1. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. This clears your DNS resolver cache, the local table of domain name to IP address mappings your PC is stored. Stale or corrupted DNS entries cause websites to fail loading even when your connection is working. Flushing forces fresh DNS lookups for every site. Command 2. ipconfig/release. Press Enter. This releases your current DHCP-assigned IP address, effectively disconnecting your PC from the network at the IP level. You'll briefly lose connectivity. That's expected. Command 3. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. This requests a fresh IP address assignment from your router's DHCP server. Running release followed immediately by renew resets your IP configuration cleanly, fixing issues caused by IP conflicts, stale leases, or DHCP assignment problems. Command 4. netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. This resets the Windows sockets catalog, the interface layer that all network applications use to communicate over the network. Winsock corruption is one of the most common causes of connected but nothing works symptoms, where your network shows as connected, but browsers, apps, and ping all fail. This is the most impactful command in the sequence. Command 5. netsh int IP reset. Press Enter. This resets the TCP IP stack to its factory default state, clearing any corrupted or misconfigured IP settings that may have accumulated through software installations, VPN clients, or manual configuration changes. Command 6. netsh int TCP reset. Press Enter. This resets TCP-specific protocol settings, complements the IP stack reset by targeting the transport layer specifically, fixing issues with connection establishment, timeout behavior, and congestion control settings that can cause intermittent connectivity failures. Command 7. netsh adv firewall reset. Press Enter. This resets Windows Defender Firewall to its default factory configuration, removing all custom rules and restoring the standard inbound and outbound policies. Corrupted or overly restrictive firewall rules can block legitimate traffic silently, causing specific applications or protocols to fail, while others work normally. All 7 commands are now complete. Restart your PC. The restart is essential. Several of these changes, particularly the Winsock reset and TCP IP stack reset, require a full reboot to take full effect. After restarting, test your connectivity. Open a browser, load a few different websites, try any applications that were failing. In the vast majority of cases where software-level network corruption was the cause, this sequence resolves it completely. If connectivity issues persist after the restart, the problem is no longer in Windows network software stack. At that point, investigate your hardware. Check the Ethernet cable, try a different port on your router, update your network adapter driver, or test whether the issue exists on other devices on the same network. If the problem affects all devices, the issue is your router or your ISP. 7 commands, 2 minutes, 1 restart. That's the complete Windows network reset sequence. Save this video so you have it ready the next time your internet breaks. If you want to go deeper, I have a full video covering every essential network CMD command, from the basics through to advanced diagnostics. Each one explained with real examples and when to actually use it. Link is in the description and on screen now. Highly recommend watching it as a companion to this one. A like and a subscribe help my channel, and I post practical Windows guides every week. Thanks for watching.